So we're just kind of fooling around, testing a few different bikes. This one actually, I think, is the most comfortable one so far. This is the one that had the basket handlebars on it. It was $29 and I bought it because I thought it was the Trek that I had, but I actually had a 930 with the RST front shocks. I like any bike that has Shimano center pole cantilever brakes or whatever they call them, and anything that doesn't have grip shifters. These here, I actually like these. I've run across some of these other ones that click multiple times on that one. This one's kind of interesting. It's got like this, it says, let's say, chain stay angle. So anyway, it's like a bracket here. It doesn't actually bolt around here, but I've been just trying to get this tuned in. And then it's got this gigantic specialized tire on here. Let's see if here we can. It's a specialized Escar. It's really actually kind of a nice tire. It makes for a really cushy ride. It's huge. It's pretty big. It's 26 by 2.3. I think like a regular tire. This is a black burn that's been replaced on here. We can figure out. Should be a size on here somewhere, right? 26 by 2.1. And I would say like this tire here is definitely pushing it. I don't think you could put it on the back. But I rode this around our backyard, as you can see, quite a bit. And I enjoyed it. I've also been working on this one that had the broken grip shifters. The handlebars from this one are actually on this one. This one probably should have those other handlebars, but I use these because there's basket bars on there. I prefer these type, and I bought these a long time ago. I don't even know if we can read the date on them, but I bought them a long time ago just for parts. They had these and these and these, and I was paid like $7 just for the bar. But in reality, it was well worth it because you wouldn't be able to buy any of these parts for that price. So this one here needs a lot of adjustment because it was a grip shift bike, and the Shimano brake levers are completely different than what was on it. So this was a nice bike, but the decals got all screwy. So I don't know if it would benefit me to do anything with it. This was a really good deal. A 29er for $12. What is it? It's 29 by 2.25. So anyway, definitely rides nice, but shifters and stuff need work. Then we got this one, which now has a flat tire again, which means I need to pull the tube off of it and figure out where it's leaking from. This is a Bianchi, and it got a little dirty because of the rain and sawdust that I had going on when I was cutting up wood. But this has got one of these is stuck, so it doesn't shift in the back. It just doesn't grab. Where's the other one? So I don't know if I just take it apart and maybe I can make it come back. Did a few other projects, some other ones. This one here, I took the wheels off of it to put on a Trek multi-track that had the wrong wheels. See where the pads are? That was what happened with the Trek. And then I got this bike here. I need to get a cover for that too, but I need a different seat post. Hey, you bring the seat down. I really don't want to cut this post, but I don't know if I have another post that fits. Seems to be a different diameter than everything else. So, and then these other two here seem to be pretty good, as well as this one. So, just a few projects. I still got to get the Cannondale working too. This one here, it's too bad it's got some rust actually. Nice potential. But I needed the wheels for something else. That was why I bought it. So anyway, lots of bike projects.